I already did 2 different recipes in the Omnia oven, and today I will do something for lunch. So let's see how it works and if it will be delicious like in a normal oven. And you can see the kitchen setup stays the same, the Brunner's outdoor kitchen and the Omnia oven.
Today's recipe is super simple. First, I'm slicing some cherry tomatoes in half or into smaller pieces. You can also use regular tomatoes if that's what you got with you at the campsite. Then I place a silicone ring into the Omnia baking tin and start layering the ingredients. First goes the chopped salmon, then the tomatoes. After that, I add spinach leaves. It may look like a lot at first, but don't worry, they shrink during cooking. Now it's time to add some soft cheese, a pinch of salt, and spices. I used a Mediterranean mix with oregano, basil, rosemary, and a few others, but you can choose spices you like. And then finally, let's drizzle everything with a bit of olive oil. And that's it, ready to bake. I place the Omnia on the stove and turn the heat to medium, so the temperature will slowly rise to about 150 to 180 degrees. That's around 300 to 350 Fahrenheit. At the same time, I put some water on to boil for the pasta. Now the water is boiling, so I can add the pasta. Use whichever type you like best. While the pasta cooks, I give the Omnia a quick check and gently stir to see how things are baking.
It's half an hour when I started to cook, and the pasta is now ready, and as well the main dish looks really good. So I will mix everything together and let's try it out.
I will mix everything together in a bigger bowl because the pot I used for the pasta isn't big enough for everything. Oh, and I need to mention, this time I was more careful with the hot Omnia. I didn't want to ruin another trivet, so I only removed the Omnia lid and left the rest to cool down on the stove. Now it's time to give everything a good mix. And because I absolutely love cheese, of course I had to grate some on top. Well, maybe a bit more than just a little. It looks so good. Let's plate it up.
Let's try it out. Yeah, it's good. It's like it would be baked in the oven, so it's really good. As we can see, the third test run was as well really successful. So I just like to cook in the Omnia oven, and I will try new recipes in my next videos. So let me know in the comments if you have any special recipes which you would like to see I try out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!